Be the fam that's that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you an extreme deep conditioning protein DIY treatment. In this treatment we are going to be using avocado. You guys already know the benefits of avocado, but I'm going to be leaving some on the screen in case you want to know some of the benefits of avocado. I'm using 2 avocado in this treatment. You can use 1 or more than 2 depending on the volume or length of your hair. So I'm using 2 avocado. I just scoop it into my blender as I'm doing so. Then we'll be using aloe vera, fresh aloe vera gel for this. If you don't have the fresh one, you can use the normal aloe vera gel. So these are some of the benefits of aloe vera to your hair. So I'll just scoop out the gel from the aloe vera and I will be putting them in my blender as well. This treatment is good for damaged hair. I'll be adding olive oil to this. I'm using olive oil. You can use any brand of your choice. I don't have a brand. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm adding egg. I'll be using 2 eggs for this treatment. I'll be leaving the benefits of all the ingredients I'm adding to this treatment on the screen just for you to see some of the amazing benefits it has to your hair. Then I'll be adding black castor oil. I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. Using 1 spoon. Then this is my DIY avocado oil. I added 1 tablespoon of it too. Then I'll be adding amla oil, few drops, let's say 1 tablespoon of amla oil to this treatment. Then I'll be adding my peppermint oil, few drops of it to this treatment. Then we'll go ahead and blend the whole thing together. Blend it together so that it will come out in a smooth paste. After blending, we'll be sieving it out with our cheesecloth or whatever you can use to sieve it, also to avoid all those lumps from the avocado or the aloe vera to enter your hair. So I'm going to be sieving it out using this my wig cap. You can use an old socks, old pantyhose to sieve it out. Whatever cheesecloth that you can get all those stuff that are not well blended out from your hair. So you just sieve it out. You can see the way it is. It's already looking so creamy. So this treatment, if you have damaged hair, you have dry hair, or your hair is lacking moisture, this treatment is for you because it will help to revive dull or damaged hair. And it is good to do this treatment at least once in a month. And be sure to follow up with moisturizing deep conditioning after this treatment, because after protein treatment, if you don't balance the moisture, your hair tends to get dry. But once you finish this treatment, immediately use a deep conditioner to balance the moisture back into your hair. You will see that your hair will be healthy and your hair elasticity will be amazing. So this treatment is good for damaged hair, dry hair, and especially if you want to do a protective style, you need to do this treatment so that you don't get much breakage after your protective style. So this is what the thing looks like. It looks runny, but it's amazing. Yeah, I didn't add water. I think it's the egg that made it a little runny, but it's amazing. So this is what my hair looks like now. I'll be applying the treatment to my hair. My hair is not dirty, just like 1 week the last time I washed my hair, so I don't really need to wash my hair. I don't wash my hair every week. I wash it every 2 weeks, except I use gel on my hair. So I'll be using water to loosen up my hair and apply the treatment. So I wanted to use applicator bottle, but I decided to use my hand because it is more relaxing, So I'll use my hand to roughly part my hair, section the hair into 3 or 4 places for easier application of the treatment. So you need to section your hair into smaller portions for easier application of the treatment, so that you will be able to get those treatment down to every strand of your hair. So I'll just spray water on my hair and continue the application. So watch as I do it. So this is after the application. You can see what the hair looks like. I'll go ahead now and put my hair in a ponytail and use a plastic bag to cover my hair so that the heat from my body can heat up and steam the hair. But if you have a steaming cap. You don't need to wait for too long. You can just wear it and stay for like 15 to 20 minutes and wash it out. So I'll show you guys what the hair looks like after steaming. Please remember to always deep condition your hair with a deep conditioner after protein treatment to avoid drying out your hair. So this is like after 40 minutes to 1 hour that I apply the mask, and this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to go So I'm going to go ahead and wash this thing with the hair with warm water. Don't use hot water, if not you cook the hair. Wash it and deep condition the hair. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, share.